a part of the All Pinay cast of the Vagina Monologues on Sunday. She has an upcoming concert with Patty Austin. She's all over the place representing for us, kababayans. We are very proud, and this afternoon we are going to have her back on the show, Miss Lea Salonga. Pero bago ang lahat, makipagkamustahan muna tayo sa Hollywood with the Nepales Reports. Our kababayan Hollywood journalist and also board member for the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, Mr. Ruben Nepales. Magandang hapon sa'yo.
Hi, Janelle. Magandang hapon sa mga kababayan natin.
Ruben, ako ang swerte mo naman. Marami ka na namang mga Hollywood stars na nakausap last week. And isa na dito si Brooke Shields. Kamusta ba siya?
Natatandaan pa niya yung kanyang visit sa Manila during the Manila International Film Festival. At paulit-ulit nga niya sinabi ang pangalan ni Imelda Marcos, our former First Lady. And by coincidence, during that time, na-interview siya ni Janet sa Manila. Kaya alam ni Janet na she remembers then nasa high school pa lang si Brooke Shields noon. And she was doing her homework sa suite ng Manila Hotel.
Really? What does she remember the most about the former First Lady of the Philippines?
Well, alam niya na bongga siya parate. She remembers all the, parang kasi she was just starting then, kaya nakikita niya yung mga established stars na nandun during that time. And at the same time, nagulat si Janet dahil sinabi niya na naalala pa niya ang kanyang assigned nanny during that time. Ang pangalan daw ay Gemma Soto.
Wow, she has great memory, and I'm sure kasama rin dito yung kanyang memories about Michael Jackson.
Yes. In fact, napag-usapan namin yung tribute niya kay Michael doon sa memorial. And sabi ko, very moving yung fan tribute. Sabi nga niya na nung nakita daw niya ang coffee ni Michael, knowing na friend niya talaga siya, sabi niya parang in-expect pa niyang lumabas si Michael and start a concert. Let's take that in the context na kaibigan talaga niya si Michael. Alam niyang showman genius si Michael. Kaya yun daw in-expect niya na anytime mag-jump out si Michael.
Very touching indeed. And touching also itong balita, si Heidi Klum at si Steele, they get married every year? How do they do that?
Yeah, I guess they just want to have fun. Sabi niya, bali quote-unquote yung married. They do get married every year now, just for fun. So actually, they just basically gather friends, and they don't have a ceremony, but parang they just reenact yung ano nila, kasi they just want to have fun. Okay,
what does she think about the diverse contestants, the Project Runway? May mga Pinoy na na-feature na dyan, diba?
I know. Since pangalan niya si Jay Nicolasario, he was the one who got this far, diba? So aware siya na ang talent comes from all over the world. So very proud siya na ang mga contestants come from all walks of life, at saka these are normal people. So yun ang gusto niyang i-push, na talagang diverse ang talents from all over the world.
Okay, from all over the world naman, kilalang-kilala yung Avatar. Napakalaki ng kinita ng pelikulang yan. You got to talk to Sam Worthington. Sinabi ba niya kung kailan sila gagawa ng Avatar Part 2?
I know. First of all, $2.7 billion na ang nakita ng Avatar. So aware si Sam na mayroong silang responsibility. At alam niya na they set a very high standard. Kaya ang sa tingin niya baka pag-iisipan pa ni James Cameron kung paano niya matatap yung high bar na sinet niya for Avatar 1. Pero alam, napag-usapan na daw nila ang story. Kung saan pupunta yung story.
Ayan, so we are gonna keep our fingers crossed for that, and I'm sure you will give us the latest when that happens. Meanwhile, Ruben, what I like about you, you're not just glamorous in Hollywood, you're also selfless in giving back to our community. In fact, you are one of the newest board members of Search to Involve Filipino Americans.
Salamat, Janelle. Saka salamat din for the wonderful report on SIPA. At saka salamat din for hosting the SIPA dinner tonight. Alam mo, I really believe in SIPA's goals and projects. Kaya I'm hoping that our kababayans will show up tonight. It's not too late. Sa Sheraton, downtown Los Angeles, sa kanto po ng 7th and Hope Street. I hope you join Janelle and the rest of us, kasi it's for a good cause.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much, Ruben, and I'll see you tonight.
Thank you, Janelle.
More power to you. That was Ruben Nepales, our kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. When we return, ready na po ba kayo? Nako, maghanda na kayo for her. We're going to be talking to her, getting to know her better. Miss Lea Salonga up next. Don't go away.